Oh. Okay, today in this video I'm gonna show you how to remove the rear bumper of the 370z. I'm gonna go ahead. First time I've done already, I've removed the tail lights. You can check that on a previous video, how to remove the tail lights. And now I'm just gonna carry on with removing the rear bumper. We have lifted the car in the air, but because for us it's gonna be easier, we're gonna continue doing something else to the car. It's not gonna be just the bumper. You have two pins and two rivets. The rivets are mounted to the metal plate of the bumper. They stay and they come out with the bumper. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna remove all this first. I found using pliers best method for popping those out. If you want, I know it's gonna help, you can remove the back tires, because I need to remove a lot of pins here. Remove the clip because I think there must be a couple of bolts underneath here, and to reach them we're gonna have to take that liner from the tires. And to take that liner, I think it's easier if you remove the tire. You can do it from a standing point. You might struggle a little bit, but it's preferences how you want. You don't need to remove completely that liner. It's just three clips that are at the front here. Bend it. You can come down so you can actually see. And underneath here, you've got either 8 or 10 millimeter. I cannot actually see now, but I'll find out in a second. 10 millimeter. Once I remove the bumper, it's going to be more visible where exactly is the bolt. Using a 10mm socket and a long extension to remove the bolt from there underneath. Then do exactly the same on the opposite side. There are two hidden fixings right behind both wheels underneath the bumper, which were quite easy to remove, and it was a good opportunity for me to get dirt and pretend I was doing something all day. The last piece was that push rivet between those beautiful tips, just like that. Bumper should pop. Have the lights for the registration plate. Much of a progress taking that off. Disconnecting the jack. Oh, yeah. Okay. Oh, one more. Well, the bumper is off, as you can see. You had one plug in here and one plug in here. This is for the registration lights, and you have one for the fog light. Now that the bumper is removed, you can actually see everything where it's holded to the car. You've got one bolt there, one on the other, on each side actually. Then you have the one in there. This is just on the rail, metal rail over there. You have the two clips. This pops out, and then the bumper is off. That's all. That's all it holds the bumper. It's pretty simple. The difficulty is you need to take the lights to get the bumper, which is a bit annoying, but you can check that video on my YouTube channel for how to remove the lights. And this is it, how to remove your bumper on a 370Z.